Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe back with the Menace SI Racing Project, and in today's video, I'll be showing you the Civic Type R front lip that I put onto my bumper. I got it done at 209 Motorsports in Stockton, California. So shout out to them. They did a pretty good job with it. The pretty good clean cuts made to it, and then they sanded them down, sanded the cuts down, and made them smooth. And then they put the bumper on pretty even. It looks pretty good, so I'll show you what that looks like. Yeah, if you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll try to answer any of you guys' questions. But we'll go ahead and take a look at it. It looks pretty good. Fits well. I don't have any problems with it. No issues. So yeah, let's take a look at that. I'm in the car, man. It's hot. It's about 95 over here where I'm at. So here's the side. Let's start with this. So that's kind of how it fits on the side. Right here, I want to get this plugged up so you don't see the hole right there. I want to get that plugged up. Here's what it looks like from the side. See that? And then there it is all around. Give you a closer look. So they had to cut off all the tabs that I showed you in the previous video. And then they had to like shave this down just a little bit, just so that it would fit more flush with this bumper. And basically, they got the sides that I just showed you bolted down, and then they put some small screws here. You don't want to put too big of screws because it might puncture through there. So you want to get the smaller screws across here. And then probably put a little bit bigger screws once you get to the side, just so you know it's going to stay on pretty good. The only thing that didn't fit too well was here. There's like a little gap. I don't know if you can see the gap. Let's see if you can see that. A tiny little gap. They can't really see it. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Not too bad. I like it. Here goes from the side. Yeah. Really close. It looks way better, way aggressive. Fits pretty nice. But yeah, but that's what it looks like, and it's how it fits. I like it. Get back in the car. It's hot out there. Yeah, so if you have any questions about it, just let me know. I saw it get done from start to finish. It's not a hard process. You just got to do a good job on the cutting and sanding down of it, and then I guess the hard part is just getting it aligned evenly. You would start with the middle, even out the middle, evenly from side to side, and from front to back. You want it even, and you want to bolt the bumper in the middle first. On the top part of the bumper is where you would put the screws in. Have it lined up, put the screws in, and then once you do that, you can do the sides and put as much screws as you need till it looks right. As long as it's not sagging anywhere. And if it's sagging anywhere, you just put more screws. And my maintenance light just popped on, at 7,700 miles, so I'm gonna have to get a maintenance due, my first maintenance due. Yeah, but if you guys have any questions about you know, how to get the lip, or you know, what hardware to use, you know, when putting it on, or where to cut, or you know, how to place it on, just let me know, or where I've done it. Remember, it's at 209 Motorsports in Stockton, California. So, you know, they did a really good job. So you get, you know, if you're in the area, give them a call and they can help you do it. But thanks for watching this video. Until next time, I think my next part should be my Gretty exhaust. I think the Gretty exhaust is coming next. I look on their website, and it no longer says coming soon. It says that they're now available at dealers, and I ordered mine a while back, so hopefully that means mine's going to be shipping like any day now. So I look forward to that, to getting the exhaust. Then I'll put another video, unbox it, see what it looks like, see what comes in there, and then of course I'll, you know, show you what it looks like after that, see how it sounds and everything, see how it feels. Hope it feels better when I drive than the stock exhaust. Hopefully we feel a difference. But until then, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, give me a like, shoot me some comments. Thanks a lot.